Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. Today I am sharing with you a review of this Sugar Cosmetics product, that is a face forward stick range. This is their highlighter stick review. Okay, the shade which I ordered is 01 Champagne Champion. Alright, it is 01 Champagne Champion. Okay, now before moving ahead with the video, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon also for the future notifications about my videos and about my uploads, and it's absolutely free, so you all can definitely press the subscribe button. Now in this particular stick, that is the highlighter stick, you get three different shades. 01 Champagne Champion, which I have ordered. 02 Royal Rose, it is a rosy taupe, or maybe you can say icy rose. The 03 shade is bronze. 1 second. Yeah, bronze belvedere, it is warm gold color. But I ordered 01 shade Champagne Champion, that is a champagne gold. Net content what you get in this particular product is 7.5 gram. The MRP of this product is 799. But definitely do check out Sugar's website for best exciting offers. Alright, I'll just show you the details, and everything is given over here. It's a cruelty free product. It is made in Korea. Okay, manufacturing is 0919, used before 0822, so you get 3 years of shelf life. Alright, as well as the Sugar's website and everything detail is given over here. It comes in this kind of normal Sugar cardboard packaging. Over here they have mentioned the shade, that is H01, that is highlighter 01. I have already reviewed their blush range, also their contour stick, plus their concealer as well. You all can find all that video on my channel. Just visit my channel. If you are not looking out for highlighter, just watch this video and go for the other product review as well, contour stick as well as their blush stick review. Plus if you are looking out for their concealer, I have that video also up on my channel. So this is the highlighter from Sugar, normal cardboard packaging. As like their blush and contour, they have a sticker over here with all the details mentioned. A black normal matte finishing. Tube is tube, or maybe what you call, this is a roller tube, tongue twisting, sorry. Over here it's written Sugar. When you turn over here, they have written face forward highlighter stick 01 Champagne Champion is the shade name. As I told you, 3 shades available. Check which shade is suitable for you, or which shade you are looking out for. Basically I go for this kind of champagne color itself. I don't go for some boom bang highlighter, because that's what I don't like. This is the quantity of the product. You all can see it's not very glittery, but of course better than any other highlighter, and it's travel friendly also. If you are going out somewhere, definitely if you carry this kind of highlighter stick, it will be very helpful. It won't break or anything. Plus there's no, like, you don't have to get afraid of breaking the powder, because when you take powder highlighters, you have to be very careful while traveling. In this you don't have to worry about that all things. You all can see the shade also. I can just swatch it here for you. See, can you see? And it's very blinding, very blinding. See, just if I'll blend with my finger also, with my thumb, see, can you see? Can you see that glitter part? That can you see is sheen on my hand? This is what is the highlighter. Okay, this is the 01 Champagne Champion. Alright, in this particular range you do get 3 shades, as I told you. MRP is 799, but you get Sugar products on very exciting offers on their own website, as well as this is available on Amazon, Flipkart and Nykaa. I'm not sure Flipkart, sorry. Amazon, Purple and Nykaa. So whichever product you want to buy, just go through all this website. Best offer, you can grab this product. I got this product directly from Sugar's website, because I do find their offers better than anyone else's website. So definitely it is up to you, whichever is suitable offer for you, best offer for your budget, you can definitely buy that product. Sugar is a cruelty free brand. It's an Indian brand, and 799 for a blush stick is not at all actually bad, but definitely on discount you get it around for 433. That is what I paid for this highlighter stick. Yes, 433 rupees. And the main part is it's retractable. You don't have to sharpen it. I don't want to take any other brand's name or something. In that you do have to sharpen the things. Okay, when you sharpen, you tend to lose little bit of product, but over here you can use the whole product. Okay, it is a twistable tube. So for that purpose also, for traveling purpose also, you don't have to worry, you don't have to carry any extra sharpener or anything. This is like just keep in your bag, done for the day. And it is a stick product, so very good for dry skin. Since you all know, if you are a regular follower, or if you are a regular watcher of my particular channel, definitely you do know that I do have a dry skin. So for dry skin people, this is the best product. So the product won't move here and there, so this is the best product. All right, now if you have any particular recommendation for any video or something, just note down in the comment section. I'll read it and I'll definitely try to fulfill. Now you will think, why I'm ordering only one shade? Right now I cannot order the whole range, because if I'll order the whole range, to whom I will distribute? But if I get more subscribers, then if you all suggest me, if you all want to see a particular whole range video, definitely let me know down in the comment section. I'll definitely buy the whole range. Then what I'll do is, I definitely always do hand swatches. So what I can do is, if that particular product is not suitable for my skin tone, I'll definitely distribute among my subscribers. I won't keep it, because if I'll keep it, I'm not going to use it. Then why to waste money? If I have it, I'll distribute it among my subscribers or among my friends. I don't have many friends, but definitely subscribers are my family, my friends only. So I'll distribute amongst them if I knew a lot of the people who are regularly watching my people, and I do have their names also in my mind. Also, don't worry about that. I don't remember by the name. I do remember everyone's by their name. All right. So this is the one thing. Second thing, I do have a giveaway planning video up on my channel right now. On the end screen also you can find more videos, and on the left side of the end screen you can check my video is there of giveaway planning. Just watch that video and participate in the giveaway, and definitely help me with the giveaway planning. Also, there are a lot of other videos, lot of other playlist also is there on my channel. Just go through that particular playlist, find more exciting videos. I do have clothing videos, accessory hauls, footwear hauls, bags hauls, clothing hauls, some random tips and tricks hauls. I do have many more playlists. So just watch that videos, and just help me with the giveaway planning as well. If you are watching till here, that means you are liking the content. If yes, then please subscribe my channel, share this video friends and family, give this video a thumbs up. All right, and that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.